So, in this video, I'm going to explain you the process of creating a new page or deleting a new page or disable a page for your template. So, when you have the template is installed and activated, it is very easy to do the changes. To do this, all you need to go to the website pages under website, and then you can see we have all available pages. There are system pages. These pages are coming from Kajabi, and you cannot disable that these pages. Okay, but you can edit that pages, and you can, if you scroll down, you can see some custom pages, and you can actually duplicate the page or delete that page. You can do whatever you want it to. Okay. And to do so, this is how this thing is working. So, if you want to create a new page, you can duplicate duplicate a custom page, or you can hit this new website page button. Okay, and then you can create a add a name. And when you will do, you will create a blank page, and you can later save the section, add new sections. Okay, but I will suggest to duplicate a page, so you will get some sections. You don't need to work from zero. Okay, and but the problem is that if I go back to the design, for example, you just installed our template and you want to customize it before making this page live, and you want to create a new page, and or you want to delete a new page, or you want to create change the link of a page. And for this inactive template, save template, there is no option to do this. Okay, so the only way you can do this is activate this template. But if but you want to activate it after you completing all the customization, then you go to live. You don't want to show incomplete template to your customers or your website visitors. But there is no way uh, without activating the template. So this is what I will suggest. This is not a very good way, but this is the only way. If you have another Kajabi website that is not activated, you can just, if you have, like I have two Kajabi sites here, but and that Kajabi site is not important, a new website, then you can try on this, and after doing all the changes, just export that template from that page and import here. But if you have only one Kajabi website, and if you already have a live template and you don't want to mess with the live version yet, you want to customize this. To do this, you need to temporary, at night time when you have low visitor on your website, and in that time, just set the template live for a moment. Okay, not permanent, for a small amount of time, maybe 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever you want, and then go to the website pages. For example, if you want to duplicate this service page, and you want to name it to something else, so maybe you need another page for another type of service. Okay, services. Then you just duplicate that page, and when I do the duplication, it will happen in this new theme. Okay, or new templates. Okay, and you can see the service copy one ready, and this is draft by default. Just publish it for temporary, and then go to the site edit details, and then you can change the slug and change the name and just save this one. Okay, and I'm going back to the website again. And for example, if you don't need some pages, okay, for example, you don't need this team page, just to make this one draft for now. And yeah, this is how you can uh, do the changes. And after doing this, go to the design. You can see it takes a very little bit of time. Then I'm going to set the original live thing live again. Okay, just save as live. Okay, this is live now, and there is no problem on this website. And if I go to the customize, I'm going to the customize to the template that we are going to edit, and go to this and go to this service. You can see the new page is available here. So this is how we can do the changes for the pages, creating new page, delete a page, duplicate a page. And after doing this, just make your uh, current live theme set live, and then come here and do your edits. So this is the hack I always use for a Kajabi site, where we need to do the changes on a set template that will go live after doing lot of edits. So this is how I think the best way and very convenient way to do the changes. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.